Grand Rising, my people. You know what I'm doing. Enjoying this. Living in New York City, you still can find green. You can still find trees. You just got buildings on the outside of them, but hey, you gotta appreciate what it is. They're making this new park that look like it's gonna be real nice. Got construction going on over there. You know me, I'm out here getting my sun. 97 degrees. That don't bother me. I don't look at it like if it's a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. The heat is purifying some things. I'm stuck in the infinite. Peace and abundance.